trying to say is, first is as a designer, and mind it, you are going to be a designer from tomorrow itself. Am I right? Or already you have become designers. And the biggest challenge for the designer is to give attention to details. What is that? Give attention to details. For example, I asked somebody, I don't know who, what do you do in your house? He told, yes, I am helping my mom. Absolutely. No problem. And what do you do? How do you make rice? How many glasses of water? How much of water you need? How do that? Do that? I can use or something?
Yep.
Okay, forward. No, let us not do it. And do you know Birkai? Birkai? How do you cut it? He doesn't know. I asked, very good. If you go to the market to buy the vegetables, are marketing with your mom, with you anybody? No. Who does it? My mom does it. No problem. Very good. What I am trying to say is, why don't you get involved? As a designer, you are all supposed to be creative. Am I right, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So what is that? You don't take any interest. See, creation is an interest. Once you take interest, then only creation. No interest, no creation. If at all you create something, it will not reflect on that. You create something which you will not like it. Who else will like it? So my point, first point is, give attention to details. As a designer, suppose 1, 2, 3 motives are here. You become careless. Miss one. So many are there, one I miss it, what happens? What happens? There are so many hundreds of stars are there, I miss one. Get lost. Will you accept that? That missing star, will you accept that? So what it counts? It counts, you must be very sensitive. You must be very careful in giving attention to details. A small mark of identification, a small mark of decoration will change the entire structure of your garments or your style, your fashion statements. So that is what number one I just wanted to say. Since the time is not there, since you will leave tomorrow, again I wish I will talk to Reddy sir if she can arrange a class for this, for the motivation. So what is this? Number one. Number two, I ask you, what are you going to do after tomorrow? You are going to complete, already you have completed today. From tomorrow, what are you going to do? Some of you have given very nice answers, very straightforward, but no confusion. What are you going to do? Some of you are slightly confused. Some of you are very, very heavily confused. My request to all of you is, the time has come to focus on one at a time. Maybe you have your option B, option C, option D, but you must have your option A very right. And what is that option A? What is that you want to become? You want to become a fashion designer? You have studied? Okay. Option B is, okay, I will have another one. I'll go for this. Doesn't matter. But you must try to analyze. You are all youngsters, time is running out. So you must make your priorities right. And once you feel that, yes, I want to become designer or anything. As a matter of fact, you must try to work it upon. Invariably I ask all of you, what is that you want to become? Or what is that you want to do from tomorrow? Yes, some of you are told, yes, you are going to do this, but I never got an answer very straight, very confident that yes sir, I have studied fashion designing, I am going to work as a designer, I want a job. What for? Next question. Sir, I will earn lots of money, I will have a 3-bedroom apartment, I will have a long vehicle, I will have a chef in my house, even a pujari for doing my puja. What is this about? All imaginations. But once you have the imagination, once you have resolved to do that, you can do it. Nothing impossible. But you must have the confidence to say that, yes, I want a job. Nothing wrong with it. Why do you say hesitantly? No, but I'll take a job. No, nothing wrong. You want to do a job? Yes, do it. And if you want to do another job, create your own employment opportunities. Some of you have told, I'll make a hotel. Absolutely fine. I really appreciate that. Instead of you getting employment, you will be creating employment opportunities for 5, 6, up to half dozen or 1 dozen, depending upon how you stop this. Nothing wrong. But you have to plan for it. What is that? This is the time, still time is there. Work it out. Take the help of the learned faculty and also your coordinators, even if your seniors are also there. You have to work it out. Number 2. Number 3 is, I think since you all of you, I feel, and I don't know whether I am correct or not, since all of you or most of you will be requiring a job, try to prepare for the job. And what is that? The first hurdle is for facing the interview. Am I right? Anywhere you go. And what is that? Say okay. What is that? You are a designer? Yes. Show me your work. What will you show? You will show your portfolio. And half of the portfolio is incomplete. Some of you have done wonderful innovations. Very good innovative work you have done. And some of you have done very hurriedly, 5 days, 10 days. The portfolio should speak itself. What do you want to do it? Design? Design should speak itself. About the color, about the textures, about all the strengths. Whereas it doesn't. Try to think about how to prepare yourself for the first hurdle for the interview. I asked somebody, even before asking, somebody told, yes, my name is this, I come from this. Okay? Nothing wrong. Only thing is I ask is, did you practice it in front of a mirror? There is no harm. There is no harm in preparing before a mirror. One of the established facts. But what my contention is, before asking, why do you say that? Did I ask you about my background? No. Why did you say that? I'll tell you a very interesting interview we have been conducting. Number 1, the girls went for engineering college. The first itself you ask, yes, tell us something about yourself. And the first thing she told is, sir, Telugu medium sir. See, nothing wrong with Telugu medium or English medium or anybody. Did I ask you? No. Why did you say that? So one thing is, I am making it very clear, since you are going to become fashion designers and also you are going to serve the elite circle, your customers, your customers are likely to be elite, not ordinary, not labor class. How will you communicate? The way you communicate makes a difference. To make a design, to make a successful designer, you have to sell the designs, market your designs.